Hi, I'm Rachel Kerr-Schneider. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Spirited Sentiment. Shh. Can you hear it? It's the sound of running water. Not water running out of the kitchen tap. No, out of a beautiful, beautiful fountain. Is it sometimes hard for you to hear things? Maybe for you to hear what God's saying to you? I know for me it is sometimes, and I really, really, really have to focus and have to be still and have to shh, listen. I think that's one of my greatest fears, is that I'm going to miss it, that I'm not going to hear it. That, I often sometimes just wish God would just go and send a thunderbolt and go, got it? But sometimes it's really just as simple as this. So I want to encourage you, whatever it takes, whenever, however, I want you to stop and listen. Listen to that little quiet voice, that little still small voice inside of you, and know that that's God getting through. I'm Rachel Kerr-Schneider. Thank you so much for joining me on this week's Spirited Sentiment.